today we are having DJ Koyel with us, the one and only. She's one of the finest female DJs, not only female DJs, but I think personally she is amazing performer and her music is wonderful and her performance is super energetic. So thank you so much, Koyel, for coming.
My pleasure.
Everybody, we appreciate you for giving your time. When did you start? कब से तुमने start किया and कैसे ये journey रहा है अभी तक?
I started in the year 2017. So journey was good. Like if you like music, journey will be very good.
Guys, if you don't know, she performs for large audiences, thousands and thousands of crowd in college events. It's massive. So Koyel, what is the difference between a club show and a concert level? और तुम्हारा music भी कैसे रहता है? Do you change your music and performance?
Definitely. In like in club shows, you have to get into very steady process. Like as a DJ, I'm telling you, when you are a opening DJ or when I was a junior, you have to understand what the what others are playing. You have to get through it. You have to like you might get bored on that कि नहीं यार मेरे को अभी ये सब गाना बजाना पड़ रहा है. मतलब low tempo मेरे साथ भी हो रहा था, but you will learn from that.
Then second question, when do you sleep? Because you are either on show or
when
on
I
flight.
reach, I sleep there.
Okay.
That time nobody will get me. Like you called me last day,
Yeah.
I told you I was sleeping.
I'm sleeping, of course. So
भोजपुरी भी नहीं, सबका अलग अलग फेवरेट होता है. अगर बंगाली के बारे में भी कोई बोले being a Bengali, if somebody says no Bengali songs and then they are playing भोजपुरी, like biased होना भी नहीं चाहिए, but better to avoid local songs in every club. भोजपुरी
Right.
is like insulting that language. बंगाली में भी बहुत खराब songs होते हैं.
Yes.
That's true. Right now, AP Dillon, you all are listening to that. And those songs. So अभी जैसे वहाँ पे सब 90s, 80s के लोग थे. All are Bengalis and local is like Hindi. So one guy was asking for Assamese song. So I played, but वहाँ पे ना कभी network नहीं रहता है. मतलब बहुत सारे जगह है वहाँ पे you cannot take the request. It is not possible.
Everybody has their own capacity में struggle बोलो. Of course, we are into music, so I don't think it's a struggle like that. But what about your journey? कि, when did you feel कि no, I am now you are a name, a brand. So when did you feel कि अभी I am here, I'm a brand now? Struggle period.
No, it's not like that because starting में when I started, it's not like female. I'll say none of them has treated me like she's a female DJ.
Yes.
Get her show. Even I played in some 1-2 clubs for free. It's not lie. There's nothing to lie about because I wanted to get the shows and
Because you're starting in the
and I don't have any like contacts on that time to get me with shows. सबके पास contacts नहीं रहते and seniors लोग इसका फायदा जरूर उठाएंगे. तो they will tell you to play for free and you have like हर बार बोलेगा ऐसा नहीं है, हर बार बोलेगा तो ये गलत है.
But I think your quality is good then.
No, it's not like that. But अगर एक chance मिल जाए, but don't leave that. Do it next time. Definitely अगर crowd को पसंद आए तो they will book for you in paid.
वही मैं बता रहा हूँ. If your quality is good, then next
Be
time I don't
confident.
think-
सब best है, सब खराब है.
Why?
Because traveling is like ऐसा लगता है ना घूम के videos कर ऐसा नहीं होता है. Half of the time set like flight हो जाता है 6:37 का flight आता है. तो 4 तक हम लोग सेट बनाते हैं ऐसे कि हर जगह का सेम सॉन्ग नहीं होता है. कोलकाता के पीपल मोस्टली दे लिसन टू हाउस टाइप म्यूजिक and if you go to Hyderabad they have a different sense. If you go to Pune they have different sense. Every like बैंगलोर में जैसे EDM में ज्यादा लोग फोकस करते हैं. So हर एक जगह का आपको रीड करना पड़ेगा कि उसके पहले जो डीजेस थे उस क्लब में क्या क्या गाना बजाते थे और जो प्ले कर चुके हैं आपको फॉलो सब कुछ रीड करते करते.
You go a little early maybe if it's a new club.
I asked the resident DJ क्या सीन है वहाँ पे. अर्ली जाके भी फायदा नहीं if you don't do the homework.
Right.
So पहले से आपको तो अलग से सेट रेडी करना पड़ेगा ही. So रेडी करके then you go see the area how the things are going. उसके बाद पूछ लो if you need any guidance. बहुत सारे DJs हैं जो बाहर प्ले कर चुके हैं. Like if you think that you're going to Hyderabad, maybe you are coming to Kolkata club.
I want to tell something to the people out there जो female DJs को ये करते हैं. If you want to the camera.
There is nothing wrong with female DJs. Like no, glamour is there. People
Absolutely.
now want glamorous things, but we here we don't see.
Yes.
उसके लिए cinema है, movies है, go watch.
That's perfectly well said. Awesome. So who are your favorite DJs or music producers or singer artists who you follow or have been following बहुत दिन से, you know, your favorite artist?
I right now liking
DJs.
Flipside, like, oh, as a singer.
As a singer also and DJs also. Nationally, internationally.
Singer is definitely Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh.
Yeah,
Yes.
and like he is doing great. And
So-
मेरा उसका हर गाना फिट हो जाता है. क्लब में
Wow.
बजाओ. अभी देवा देवा चल रहा है.
Wow.
Like everyone is into it.
Okay.
And then as a producer, I watch Flipside is doing very good.
Flipside.
Live music, he is doing live setups. I have never watched him before. Recently, I'm watching. He's doing great. Like he
The
has.
reels and all are coming.
Yeah. He has
Wow.
done very good thing. And then
Unique music.
all DJs are good. मेरे को काम नहीं मिलेगा ऐसे बोलने पे.
So Koyel, your miking is superb, you know. So was it like this पहले से were you so comfortable with miking और ये बाद में हुआ है?
नहीं, the basic thing is you have to get your pronunciation and your English has to be very like
मतलब
what to
जो
say
भी बोलूँ वो सोच समझ
good with
के-
that, because people in outside they won't understand Bengali. हाथ तुले that won't go.
That
And
is
हाथ ऊपर and I'm very weak in Hindi.
Okay.
So like I prefer कि मेरा जो स्कूल में इंग्लिश है ठीक है
हाँ.
वही चला दो. सिर्फ यंगस्टर्स शो नहीं देंगे. ऑर्गेनाइजर्स आर नॉट यंग, दे आर ओल्ड. तो आपको वहाँ पे लोग ज्यादा देखेंगे और डिफरेंट पीपल. लाइक आई सी इन माय प्रोफाइल मैक्सिमम पीपल आर फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश,
Wow.
बिकॉज उसमें ना आपको इनसाइट्स दिखाते हैं. वहाँ पे आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपको कौन कौन ज्यादा फॉलो करते हैं, कहाँ के रीजन ज्यादा फॉलो करते हैं.
Wow.
तो वैसे हिसाब से अगर आपको बांग्लादेश से अगर लोग फॉलो करें तो मे बी विल गेट अ शो फ्रॉम देयर दैट प्लेस.
Wow.
Or it depends on, but I'll say Facebook played a very vital role.
How do you engage people? मतलब do you observe them and
Yeah.
then play or is it just पहले से set ready रहता है?
नहीं. ऐसे मैं पहले लेके जाती थी, but you have to observe people a lot. Observe means many type of things, like
Mhm.
you have to read people. उसके लिए do meditation at home. That's the best thing I'll suggest.
Meditation.
Yeah, it helps a lot to read people what is there, because if you see that someone is nodding,
Mhm.
play 2-3 musics, and if you say some how 90% of them or 60% कितने लोग आपके गाने में नाच रहे हैं,
Right.
like 20% doesn't matter if 80% is enjoying.
तो एक रहेगा.
उसमें एक रहेगा ही आपके लिए बोलने के लिए. तो it doesn't matter if 90% is enjoying, focus on that 90%. 10 लोग बोलेंगे, leave it.
ये तो negative.
That is there. So negative नहीं होने से तो positive नहीं आएगा.
या promoter, event manager have some anybody done any negative about you behind your back?
I don't care.
You don't care about
Because-
it. How do you take action अगर कोई, you know, because you are a public person, you have so many people following you, commenting you. There's so much going on in the social media in your life.
The social media, if
Not
you
only social media in your life
Yeah.
also. So ऐसा कभी negativity अगर कोई किसी ने किया है, how do you take action or do you avoid
I
it
keep
completely?
shut. The silence is the best answer. Because you are getting famous for that. Come on.
Right.
People, शाहरुख खान के बारे में सब लोग बोलते हैं.
बोलते हैं.
अब थोड़ी ना I can go and tell him directly. That's why he is there.
Right.
I cannot tell him directly.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है crazy fan of yours जो तुम्हें गिफ्ट भेज रहा है और you know comes to every show of yours?
No.
You know how to take, ऐसा है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं था. But like I got good friends now. They're fans and friends and everything.
तो
Because
मतलब वो stalker वाला I'm talking. Just
oh God, no, I won't tell that.
we
My
did
people
Aziz,
will watch.
we did Aziz Bhaiya, so he had a lot of.
No,
Yeah.
there's nothing like that. But
But you don't want to talk about it.
I don't want to talk
But
because
there are. So
there are.
How do you handle it?
I don't care.
जैसे DJs are becoming VDJs, we are DJing also doing the visual also.
Yeah, if they are doing good, let them
Huh.
do.
What is your perspective? Do you think it's good or do you should focus on
I'm
your
not
performance?
comfortable doing with DJing things all because I have to do with the miking and I'm not fast with that.
Okay.
मेरे को फिर लैपटॉप लेके जाना पड़ेगा, लैपटॉप से प्ले करना पड़ेगा, and too much hectic. I don't want to waste my it's so
Right.
costly equipments
Yeah.
into this. कुछ भी हो जाएगा तो everything will be done.
Yeah. Like
And-
the laptop might
And
fall.
most importantly, अगर म्यूजिक के ऊपर आप ज्यादा ध्यान दोगे तो म्यूजिक विल बी बेटर. विजुअल्स के लिए VDJing हैज अ डिफरेंट कोर्स, VJ हैज अ डिफरेंट कोर्स कि उसके लिए सिर्फ वो जो दिखाते हैं ऐसा नहीं होता है, एनिमेटेड होता है. आई हैव सीन मेनी VJs डूइंग प्रॉपर विजुअल्स एज अ डिफरेंट थिंग.
Yeah,
इन कॉलेज सिर्फ जो आप लोग देखते हैं VDJs लोग क्या करते हैं, जो DJs है जो पीछे गाना वाना बजते हैं, बट इफ यू सी प्रॉपर VJs are doing, they'll give everything different. Experience will be totally different.
They actually make it live pura.
Yeah, they work for it. They work for the visuals, and we work for the music.
You want to ask quick question? A female Deepa, why don't you ask as a female DJ, as a aspirant? Amar question. You ask also. You can ask any questions.
As a DJ career, at what is the last age I can extend it?
There is no extent time.
There you go.
Because for that you are a learner, then you can be a teacher. Do something great on that. Work on
I
your.
think there's DJs like Ivan,
That's what,
DJs, they're 60, 70 and they're getting better. Akhtar,
they are doing.
Akbar Sami,
they are not
getting better with time.
But
At
they are
60.
not into DJing as well. You have to notice
They
that
do a
thing.
lot of other things. Of
Because-
course.
They are also
Nothing like that. You're not comfortable, I think. Okay, no issue. So,
another question.
please.
What is your music producing area? I mean, it is bit delay. You are not making any music.
No, I'm making music.
Yeah, last time same is
Chill,
Deva, right?
No, papers. Papers.
Papers.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Koyel. That was amazing. So much information we got, and thank you for coming.
Yeah.
So, with that said, guys, let's take a picture together,
Yeah.
and then we want.
I saw him somewhere. Hi everyone, this is DJ Koyel, and if you are watching this, I am here at Name Rave DJ School, and thank you so much for bringing here. And if you like it, do visit their page, and you can come visit over here, have a look out at this institution. And thank you so much for joining tonight. Till then, stay tuned and watch their page for more.